Good afternoon, guys. It is, I don't know the day. What is the day?
Thursday.
It's Thursday,
16th.
the 16th of June. We are heading to Canary Wharf, have a walk around. Me, I always get lost every time I go there because that underground shopping centre is just a maze. But yeah, see you guys when I get there. So we are here at Canary Wharf / Crossrail treetop. And yeah, Mum's never been there before, so just showing her around. And we didn't get lost because we got off at Poplar DLR. Actually, tell a lie, we got lost or we got the wrong DLR. We ended up in the wrong place. So we got off at Poplar and literally just walked over the water, and we are here. So just showing Mum, she's never been Canary Wharf and things, so yeah. So we are trying to get to Wharf Kitchen, Canary Wharf Kitchen. Once again, we are lost. Checking Google Maps. We was meant to go up the escalators, but obviously maps don't they don't read stairs. Maps don't read stairs, so yeah, the map is trying to say go this way, but yeah, basically. So yeah, when we get there, I'll show you around, also show you inside the shopping centre when we get back. But it's nice and hot today, yeah. Just so you know, this is not where we're looking to go. We found it. This was a... Oh wait, we gotta go down again. This was a mission, but we found it. Yeah, we have found it. We're going to Jubilee Place, and we're going there. So we got Chipotle, Crush, Five Guys, Nando's, It's You, Korean Soul Bird, Wagamama. Wait, is this it? Rubbish. Oh, they got mini golf. I think I was meant to pour it in there because it's Prosecco. After hours of trying to find it, I think we found it. It was literally below where we were earlier. And we're going there. But there's not much going on in here. We ate already, but food wasn't too great. Look, the lighting is not great in here, but okay. So we found the food court, but there weren't much in there. Like I said, we ate earlier. Food was not great. It was very salty. Also, what we ordered, one item was not what we ordered, so they technically thieved £1.50 from us. But it's fine. They can add that to their tip. But yeah. So yeah, we're just walking through the mall now. I've never actually been to this part. Like I mentioned before, I've been Canary Wharf before, but I always get lost, and we're lost again.
Yeah, so basically.
Well guys, this is it. We've done our Canary Wharf mission. And we are now heading home. So if you haven't already, don't forget to press that thumbs up button. Press the subscribe button as well. And don't forget to hit the bell so you get notified when the next time I upload. So I guess I'll see you in my